Ikaw ba ay lubos nang nahihirapan sa iyong buhay pinansyal? Ikaw ba ay nawawala na ng pag-asang munlad? Nais mo ba masigurado ang masaganang kinabukasan at buhay na iyong mga mahal sa buhay? Pwes, may pag-asa kaibigan na makamit ang buhay masagana para sa iyo, para sa kanila, at para sa buong mundo.
In this tutorial, I'm going to provide you with 4 key areas for developing blockchain platforms. For businesses, a well-designed blockchain doesn't merely cut out intermediaries, but it can also help to reduce costs, increase reach, speed, transparency, and traceability for many business processes. A distributed ledger technology, blockchain enables an internet-based, peer-to-peer network that works to facilitate exchanges in value. Computers on the network verify and record transactions simultaneously, which can be completed without a traditional intermediary, such as a credit card network or a bank. As with many emerging technologies, the main concern with blockchain is trust. While the transparency and immutability of blockchain ledgers can be a significant deterrent to hackers, there is still uncertainty about its vulnerability to fraud. The concerns over trust can be alleviated if there are standards and regulations developed to reduce the risk that blockchain might pose to the users. Here are 4 key areas to focus on if you want to establish a blockchain platform. Making a case for business. If you are looking to develop a blockchain platform, then you have to make a strong case for the business. You need to make sure that the purpose of the initiative for establishing a blockchain platform is both clear and well conceived. This will allow you to move forward in developing the blockchain platform without confusion. Building an ecosystem. When making a blockchain platform, you may find that you have to work with different companies within your industry, and perhaps even your competitors, to create a common set of standards in which to govern the blockchain. A majority of those with a live blockchain application are either leaders or members of a blockchain consortium. Deliberate design. The design of your blockchain platform must be intentional and work with what users can see and do. You may have to work with legal, compliance, and cybersecurity experts to help you develop rules and standards for access permission that will help to prompt trust in the technology. Navigating regulatory uncertainty. The regulatory requirements of blockchain will continue to evolve. If companies continue to avoid the technology while the rules are being developed, they can run the risk of falling behind of their competition. As you develop standards, engaging regulators can help blockchain users anticipate their next moves. Blockchain can no longer be called a key technology for the future because it's already getting significant use today. Understanding the 4 key areas of focus for developing a blockchain platform will help your business stay ahead of the game. In this tutorial, you'll learn the 4 things that you need to know before you invest your hard-earned money in cryptocurrency. After years of unprecedented gains, the cryptocurrency market saw a dramatic drop in value in 2018. The market correction brought everything down and should make you a bit cautious with your crypto investments. Here are 4 things that you should know before investing your hard-earned income in cryptocurrencies. Understand the risks. When investing in cryptocurrency, it is imperative that you understand the inherent risks involved in these kinds of investments. If you are looking to buy into an ICO, know that you are buying into a startup and that most startups fail. Also, it's important to understand that crypto markets are not regulated, making it easier for a few of the more prominent investors to corner the market at your expense. Start small. It can be exhilarating to watch the value of cryptocurrency quickly rise. However, because it is still such a volatile market, you want to start small and avoid going all in. Try to keep your crypto exposure to a reasonable level. Your exposure limit will be different than anyone else's and should take in consideration your age, your income, and your level of wealth. You also want to make sure you diversify your crypto holdings. And remember that the more you spread your investments, the more likely you'll make a profit. Be picky. A broad market correction, no matter the investment, will bring everything down, both the good and the bad. Buying during a severe market correction means that you have the opportunity to shop around for great investments at a deep discount. Pay attention to the drivers that support the price of the currency and go after tokens with a strong fundamental demand for the platform they support. Don't be lazy. If you are dead set on buying into ICOs, you need to do a lot of research and get the dirty work done. In the first half of 2018 alone, more than 600 ICOs went to market, creating a lot of white papers to analyze. Before investing in these, you need to make sure that you are good at distinguishing a good startup from a bad one. You need to look at the founders and analyze their expertise and their track record, and determine if certain organizations are backing the blockchain application. Don't let the current downward trend keep you from considering investing in cryptocurrency. With the right amount of research and understanding, you can still invest in cryptocurrency and make a profit.